Ocean Protocol provides the foundation for a multi-chain Web3 data economy. We'll be going over all of this inside of this A and B crypto article, as well as going over their official website really quickly, their Twitter page, and the Twitter page that actually sparked my interest in the Ocean Protocol. And if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, we'll do some price predictions and some technical analysis. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and dive right in and we're going to snip some pieces out of this that I think that are important. We got data as a multi-chain asset. Asset tokenization is arguably one of the most valuable utilities of blockchain, okay? So just kind of give you an idea of what Ocean Protocol is going to be about, because they see what's the most important part of blockchain is the tokenization of things, right? Initially, projects tokenize companies through initial coin offerings, ICOs, and most recently, speculations around the digital art gain popularity, which are NFTs. It is imperative that any asset tokenization takes place across a multitude of networks, meaning it can be going over not only the ETH network, but also Polygon. But we're going to go ahead and dive right in and see what they have. We have a Web3 protocol right here. It's called Ocean. We're checking it out. Tools for the Web3 data economy. Ocean Protocol unlocks the value of data. Data owners and consumers use Ocean Market app to publish, discover, and consume data in a secure, privacy-preserving fashion. Ocean holders stake liquidity to data pools. This is something that we're going to be hearing a lot in 2022, is staking, and of course, the talks of the NFTs. Data is wrapped as interoperable ERC-721 data NFTs, and of course, the ERC-20 data tokens to enable data wallets, data exchanges, and more. Via NFTs and DeFi tools, developers can use Ocean libraries to build their own data apps. So this is pretty epic right here. We're going to gloss over this so I can get you guys up to speed really quickly on Ocean Protocol, and you guys can do your own due diligence. I'm going to have all these links down in the description below. Make sure you guys are liked and subscribed. All right. We got on-ramp and off-ramp for data assets into DeFi, data marketplace with blockchain superpowers. Buy and sell private data while preserving the privacy, which is very important, not only to me, but I know those crypto enthusiasts have been doing this for a while. That's the whole reason behind this, right? More data provenance and earning opportunities. Fine-grained permissions using role-based and access control. So I want you guys to go ahead and take a deeper dive into this. We're going to come over to their Twitter page, 153,000 followers. That's pretty big. We're going to make sure we hit a follow, make sure the bell notifications lit up. And as we can see, the marketing has ramped up. We got 216 million Ocean program to unlock an ocean of data, up to 125% API. That is huge right there. So let's make sure that we're tapped in. Now I'm going to show you guys the Twitter page that caught my attention and why I looked into Ocean Protocol. And this is Kristen. I got to give Kristen a shout out. This was a huge team that picked up a huge member. Kristen, you're amazing. As you can tell, I'm already getting excited to show everybody your artwork. I actually have dreams that look a lot like this. So, I actually was looking at this for quite a bit. So I want you guys to go ahead and come show Kristen some love, not only on the Twitter page of hers, at Kristen right here. Let's go ahead and open this up in a new tab. Make sure you guys give this a follow. I'm sure I'm already following this one because of this artwork. And this is something that's going to be a part of Ocean. So I'm going to keep a close eye on Ocean. So let's make sure that I'm giving this a follow. Make sure the bell notifications lit up. And this is some of the artwork that we're going to be seeing over there. And, we're talking about NFTs, ERC 721s and ERC 20. So this is something I'm very excited about. I retweeted one of these. Not sure why Twitter didn't let me like it, but there you go. There goes this amazing artwork, this amazing geometry, and also very futuristic. That's one thing that I dream about a lot, and it just looks amazing. I just absolutely love it. So shout out to Kristen. And this is their price prediction part where I'm going to get to this and we're going to look at market sentiment. Obviously I hit good. I think that things are going really good. We see the market picking up for them. We're going to go and look at it at the trading view style and notice some support and resistance in the short term and long term where I see, Ocean Protocol possibly moving to. So those that are invested, of course, can do their own research. All right. So let's go ahead and look at this volume that's already stepping in. This is the short term right here. We're going to break out of this and then we'll see a tap up here. So we got some pretty impressive moves that could be happening relatively soon. Volume is king. Something you guys are going to hear me say a lot. Volume is king. So we can definitely see this happening. We actually might see this one rock up there's still a gap all the way up to right there. So we still have some room to go on this one. We see the support touch here and also right here. So this is that resistance that we're going to break past and then see a test up to the 55 cents. So that's in the short term. Make sure you guys come over here, hit like, make sure that you guys smash the like button on my channel. Make sure that you guys are subscribed and the bell notifications lit up. Like that, you guys do not miss out on any of my daily content. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.